studying in Srimashi Vidyalaya. We selected CCA for electronics in CCA. We made a buzzer. One 9-volt battery is needed, one switch is needed, and buzzer is needed.
Positive wire is red and negative wire is black. This connect on switch. Positive wire